So this is my trusty coffee grill. I roast all my own coffee in there. Here's what a good wheel looks like. But this wheel has seen better days, and it's getting harder and harder to pull out of the garage and use. My choices are, I can take this grill and throw it out and spend money on buying a new one, or I can fix this wheel. What we did is bought measured the wheel. It's basically the same size. This one's a little bit better condition. This is just a cheap plastic wheel. To make this a little easier, I thought I'd try the floor jack. And yeah, look at that wheel. Ridiculous. I'm gonna need to take out this cotter pin. All right, so I'm just taking that cotter pin itself off. And that lets the wheel come off. And now that gets us to the other side. Just kind of worn out. Yeah, what are you doing? What are you doing, huh? What are you doing, Thor? What are you doing, huh? Let's open this up. So there's our wheel. Of course, this wheel bearing is oversized for the shaft. There's a lot of room. And I could just stick it in there and let it roll on that. But instead I went and got this nylon insert for $1 at the big box store. Pop that in there. Now this is just a little bit too small, but I can drill that out pretty easily. Perfect. If you're getting anything out of this, if you would just go ahead and like this video, it would help us out a lot, and we really appreciate it. Just give it a tap with the hammer. There we go. Okay, just go ahead and reinstall it. All right, so the wheel is there's a lot of space here. So I want to space out some of these, some fatter washers to take up the space. And just put the cotter pin back on. That's it. Good as new. So there you go. So easily replaced for $8 for the wheel, $1 for the sleeve, a little bit of time, and that keeps this grill from being thrown out. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.